Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious potato soup with milk using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, have ready 4 cups of whole milk and 4 cups of chicken broth. Don't forget 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Getting everything prepped beforehand makes cooking a breeze. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely chopped onion and sauté it until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds a wonderful flavor base. Next, add your diced potatoes and the 4 cups of chicken broth to the pot. We're on our way to a hearty soup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. For that perfect creamy texture, mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This naturally thickens the soup. Finally, slowly stir in the 4 cups of whole milk and heat it through gently, being careful not to boil it. Almost done. Now for the finishing touches. Season your delicious potato soup with salt, black pepper, and any herbs you love like fresh thyme or parsley to taste. Give it a good stir and adjust as needed. Serve it warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh chives or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese for an extra layer of flavor. It's truly comforting. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.